earthquake of magnitude 5.4 occurred early evening on Saturday, November 12, 2022, at 7:01 p.m. local time near Gorontalo, Indonesia, as reported by Indonesia's Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysical Agency. According to preliminary data, the quake was located at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. Magnitude and other quake parameters can still change in the coming hours as the agency continues to process seismic data. A second report was later issued by the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, which listed it as a magnitude 4.9 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the United States Geological Survey at magnitude 4.9, the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, at magnitude 5.2. The citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 4.9.